In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Entra ID authentication for your Spring application. This is my Spring Boot application, and I used the guide by the Microsoft, but it doesn't work as expected because it on the older version. Um, so let me show you how it works. So we have the client, it will challenge, and here we are. That's how it works. Now, the key point here is the example asks us to use the properties in this format like Azure Active Directory, tenant ID, client ID, but that doesn't work with the latest version of the Spring. You have to use Spring Security Oauth2 client provider, and you have to supply uh, the details here. I'm not going to show you everything because you will know the keys, so that's the reason. And if I have to show you the example, yeah, it is this example that is supplied by the Microsoft. How to use how to make your web application talk to the Microsoft Entra ID, and the source code is supplied here, which is nothing but this GitHub repository. And if we go and look at what is inside these resources and application, it follows this pattern. And also, if you look at the source code, it is going to suggest you to use an old Spring configuration model, which is web security adapter and all that, and that is not the way to work. In the latest model, you have to change your security to use a security filter chain. um, so like this. I'm not able to show you the whole thing because I have to uncomment a few lines of code. I tried a few times to get this working. So basically, we are okay. So this is the method, I have to say. Um, you have to request your matchers to what to permit, what not, um, and any other request is authenticated. Or to log in, you have to specify with defaults, otherwise it won't accept. Or to log in without any object is not accepted, and you build it. So it is pretty simple. These are the few changes that you need to do to get this working. Thank you.